Good morning, pre-K. Today we're going to learn about a Brontosaurus. A Brontosaurus is also called an Apatosaurus. They were called Brontosaurus first, and then scientists and paleontologists, a paleontologist is a scientist who studies only dinosaurs. They decided to change the name to Apatosaurus. So first, before we learn about it, I want you to see what a Brontosaurus looks like. I have a picture on the computer here for you. So this is a Brontosaurus. If you look at how long they are and how tall they are compared to a human. So this is an adult. So pretend this is Miss Julie standing, and here is a huge Brontosaurus. I think I'd be pretty scared if a Brontosaurus was still alive. So I wanted you to see that picture, and we're going to talk about a few fun facts about a Brontosaurus before we draw a picture of one. So a Brontosaurus was also called a thunder lizard because they're so big when they would walk the earth would shake. And of course it would make noises if there's a big pounding Brontosaurus walking through it. A Brontosaurus, like I said, is the largest animal. And they are plant eaters, so they don't eat any meat. They eat berries and leaves, and they just eat plants. And a funny thing about a Brontosaurus is when they eat the leaves, they don't even chew it. They just gulp it and swallow it down. So in order for their tummies to be able to digest it, they'd have to eat stones. And they'd have stones in their stomach, so when they would move, the stones would actually be pounding on all of their leaves that they ate inside their tummies. So that's how they would digest their food, because they wouldn't chew it. They would just gulp, gulp. So that's pretty fun. And being such a big dinosaur, it's kind of nice they didn't eat meat. They just ate all of the plants. So a Brontosaurus hatched from an egg. So this is a chicken egg, but a Brontosaurus egg was a foot wide. So picture a little chicken egg is right here, and a Brontosaurus egg would be this wide. So they were pretty large eggs. All right, so let's get drawing our Brontosaurus. I have my piece of paper, and today I'm going to be using colored pencils and crayons. So a Brontosaurus had a really big tummy, but he had a long neck and a long tail. So I'm gonna draw the stomach first, and I'm gonna draw it right in the center of my paper. So let's draw an oval shape right there, and that's gonna be our Brontosaurus's tummy. So you draw your oval, and now let's draw a small oval up here, and that will be his head. So we have his head and his tummy that we just drew. The next thing we need to draw is his very long neck. So this is going to be easy. All you need to do is connect the head to the tummy, and then another line. And there is his neck. So we have his tummy and his neck. Let's give our Brontosaurus a face. I'm gonna draw one eyeball and one. He's going to be a happy one. So there's our Brontosaurus so far. He has a long neck. He is going to need a very long tail. So we're gonna let's do it this way. I'm gonna put a dot at the very end of my paper, and now we're going to connect the dot to the back of his body. So there's one line. We need to draw one more line. There. So we have a long tail and a long neck. Now a Brontosaurus has 4 legs. So we're gonna draw his legs, come down, curl, and go up. There's one. Come down, curl, and go up. 2. 3, and 4. All right, so here is my Brontosaurus. I'm gonna color it, and I'll show you mine when we see each other on the computer on Zoom. So if you want to color it, you can, but you don't have to. But this is our Brontosaurus. All right, pre-K, I will see you on the computer soon. Bye.